You may have seen the word largest trees, but it is time to walk in the opposite direction. So let's go with me in there. 1. Smallest bonsai, an Acer momiji, smallest bonsai tree. This is the smallest bonsai tree that I know of, with a pending Guinness record listing. 2. Rubber tree. And who can think a giant leaf rubber tree can be this small? 3. Jade bonsai. Despite the size big or small, jades are awesome survivors. 4. Apple tree. And how many calories you would get by eating that apple? Hey Jim brothers, please comment down below. 5. Currant berry tree. Ew, looks yummy. 6. Bearberry tree. A tree with beautiful flowers. 7. Jade. Hey, no need to call the Aaron Yeager because it's not a titan. It's a human holding a Shohin jade. 8. Orange. Oranges are my all-time favorite. At this size, I can grow my own farm in my shoebox. 9. Juniper. No list can be completed without a juniper. 10. Pyracantha angustifolia. Last but not the least, and my personal favorite one. This all for today. See you in the next video.